In Dakata, Kawaji industrial area of Kano State, a young entrepreneur is achieving what many thought possible only in global hubs like China. For nearly 2 years, he has been running a small factory where he designs and manufactures different types of phone charger cables. Abdulazeez Ibrahim visited his workshop to learn about his journey, the challenges he faces, and his hopes for Nigeria's manufacturing future. Let's take a look.
In a modest workshop tucked away in Dakata, Kawaji soldering machines hum with activity. Here, Sharafuddin Sadiq produces a variety of USB cables, supplying customers across Nigeria and beyond. It is a venture that began 2 years ago, born out of curiosity and a passion for technology. After finishing my first degree, instead of looking for a job, I decided to research how I could start a venture that would not only contribute to the country's development, but also provide jobs and reduce our overdependence on imported products. From those early experiments, his work quickly gained attention. Videos of his Nigeria-made cables went viral on social media, drawing admiration from far and wide. This is where we test the cables. Every cable must pass a quality test twice before going to the market. But the true measure of his work is found in Kano's Bata market, one of the city's busiest phone accessory hubs. Here, most dealers still depend on imports, ordering bulk packages from China shipped through Lagos before reaching their shelves. We import almost everything: cables, chargers, phone cases, and screen guards from China. I once got calls from other states asking if cables were being made in Kano. At that time, I didn't know. But if it's true, it's a sign of progress. I source my products from China through firms in Lagos. I haven't seen locally made cables yet, but once they are available, I believe we'll use them. Yet few are now stocking Sharafuddin's cables, and their customers are beginning to notice the difference. We buy from different companies. Since the made in Nigeria cables came, we are happy with their quality, fast charging, and fair price, though we'll still like the price to come down further. When we heard the cables were made in Nigeria, we were excited. They use copper wires, work for both charging and data, but many customers still remain skeptical. Dealers say reviews from their buyers are encouraging, even though some remain cautious about how far local production can compete with global supply chains. I was among the first to sell the Kano-made cables. At first, customers doubted them, thinking they were substandard. I even gave some out for free just to prove their quality. The challenge is trust. Many people don't believe in Nigerian products, but when you compare the quality with expensive imports, the local cables hold up and at a better price. Back in Dakata, Sharafuddin admits the challenges are tough. High cost of raw materials, expensive machines, unstable exchange rates, and the burden of electricity weigh heavily on his young factory. I experienced a lot of challenges, especially with expensive machines like this laser printer. But with support from my family, I was able to set up the business. Another challenge is the fluctuating exchange rate, which is a headache, especially for the raw materials we import. The cost of electricity also made our products very expensive, so we switched to solar system during production hours. Still, his story highlights the possibilities of homegrown innovation. Though Nigeria lags behind global manufacturing giants, he believes the country holds immense potential if given the right support. In countries like China and India, once they discover talent or innovation that can benefit the sector, the government steps in with support, which makes it easier. But in Nigeria, government support is scarce. For years, people have been buying imported cables of low quality that just end up as junk. We hope to start producing our own machines here and also recycle raw materials to make production easier. From Dakata, Kawaji, Sharafuddin's cables are not just powering phones, but also powering hope for a future where Nigerian technology is truly made in Nigeria. Abdulazeez Ibrahim, Trust TV News, Kano.